Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. Many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. And so beautiful ideas of two short waving curls on hair. Curly hairstyle. And very attractive ideas of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. And very beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, spiky and messy hairstyle with different ideas of undercut and shaved art. So beautiful collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut. Cropped haircut. And so beautiful eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, with different ideas of base color. And so attractive ideas of ash gray color of highlights with dark base color. Overall ideas latest and trendy. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look very attractive. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dart back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.